Welcome to my channel Connection. Today, our subject of discussion is summing of numbers when units are present beside it. For example, how to add 10 kg plus 20 kg plus 40 kg or 12 liter plus 15 liters and so on. It is really a daunting task if you don't know the trick. We shall try to solve it with three case studies. Case 1. Quantity of few items are given, but there is no units. Therefore, it is very easy to achieve the result using the sum function equal to sum range, close the parenthesis and press enter button. Consider the case 2. It is not possible to add all items to use sum functions. If we use the same function, that is sum function, the result becomes 0. Why? It seems to us these are numbers, but in reality these are text. This means that we are trying to add one text to another. That is why we will get a result of 0. We have to be a little more strategic, so our formula will be equal to sum parenthesis star substitute sub double click on substitute start parenthesis take ranges comma within quotation pieces, just give a little bit space. First we should give a little bit space, then pieces, close the quotation, comma, new text we put it here, nothing, means double quote twice, close the parenthesis, plus 0, close the final parenthesis. Before proceeding further, we want to clarify why I used 0, because 0 forces the Excel to try and convert the text into values. Now, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter button. Result appears. This value is numeric. If we add an integer here, in input an integer, then in final result row equal to total plus 2, then press enter and the result appears. Now copy the result. By Ctrl C we copy it and convert it value, and forcefully we write pieces. We write here pieces. These are the result. We get an error message in the final result because it is no more numeric, but it is text now. But how to write pieces, the unit beside the result, without losing its numeric character? I will show you after discussion on case 3. Consider the case 3. The values under quantity column have no units besides them. We have to add units beside the quantities. In this case, we will use sum function equal to sum parenthesis start ranges, close the parenthesis and press enter button. Now select the ranges including total. Click on right button, format cell, then custom. Select 0.00 option and under type box write quotation, give a little bit space, kg, quotation close and click OK. Okay, these data are numeric type data, so we can easily add an integer with it equal to total plus 3. Now return to the case number 2 where we left it. At first we delete the pieces. Place the mouse pointer on the result and right click, format cell, then custom, select 0 option, and on the type box write quotation, give a space, write PCS, close the quotation and click OK. This is for today. I cordially request you to subscribe my channel. If you are a newcomer to my channel, stay tuned with me. Thank you and goodbye.